Hey friends, hope you're well. So today we'll talk about plastic bottles for flowers. Looking for a cheap and easy way to add some color to your home? Try making these DIY water bottle flowers. All you need is a few empty plastic bottles, scissors and some paint. Plastic bottle craft is a nice way to recycle plastic bottles. There are many creative ways to repurpose plastic bottles into some beautiful and useful items. Here is a nice DIY project to make some pretty flowers from plastic bottles. Simply take a plastic bottle and cut it in parts. It's great that both the top and the bottom parts can be turned into a flower. After it's done, you may use nail polish to give it a colorful touch. It makes a unique piece of home decor and it's a model as a simple way to reuse the cycle. Simply cut the bottom of the bottles, then paint them in any color or design you like. Once they are dry, arrange them in a vase or planter and enjoy your new colorful decoration. Plastic water bottle flowers can be made using recycled materials such as milk jugs, soda bottles, and water bottles. To make these flowers, you will need a sharp knife or scissor, and a hot glue gun, and wire cutters. First, you will need to cut the bottom of the plastic bottle so that it is flat. Next, use a hot glue gun to glue one end of the wire to the center of the bottom of the bottle. Then start wrapping the wire around the circumferences of the bottle until you reach the other end. Once you reach the end, twist the wire together and trim any excess. Finally, use your scissors or knife to make slits around the edge of each petal of your flower. If you want to add a touch of whimsy to or your home decor, consider making a bottle flower mobile. This project is relatively easy and can be completed in an afternoon. All you need are some bottles, fake flowers, wire, ribbon, and a hot glue gun. Start by collecting your materials. You can use any type of bottles for this project, but we recommend using clear glass bottles so that the flowers inside are visible. Once you have your bottles, remove the labels and clean them out. Take one bottle and hot glue a flower to the bottom center of the bottle. Then take your wire and make a loop around the neck of the bottle. You have got yourself some gorgeous plastic water bottle flowers. Not only are these flowers eco-friendly, they are also incredibly versatile. You can use them to decorate from parties or events or simply as a fun way to spruce up your home decor. Making flowers out of plastic water bottles is a fun and easy way to recycle. You can use any size or shape of the bottle, but we recommend using 2-liter bottles for the best results. So this is all about today's video. Hope so you like it. So just subscribe our channel.